Hi everyone, welcome to the 2020 Crafty Goals collab with AMALIA. Hashtag Crafty Goals with AMALIA, and you will find a link to all the participants down below the video. There are quite a few of us. So this is where I'm actually going to share with you what I made. I started with this little lady for the gorgeous Lovely Ladies collab on the 1st of the month. Let me get my little basket here and then I'll have to go to the floor. So that's one. And then we had, I don't have sheetload of cards on here for some reason. Anyway, Tuesday Night Live. Oh, I didn't do it that month. That's right. This was the month. That's another reason I was short videos. Tuesday Night Live, we did Boho Indigo, 2 cards, and those cards as well. So I thought there was another one. Yeah, there were 6 cards, Boho Indigo, I thought. I guess I went this way for the 3rd card. 4 from Boho Indigo and 1 Christmas with the plaids. 2 Christmas. So we had 6. Yeah, I counted 6 cards there. Then Freeform Friday, I made tags. I guess these are them. I don't know. No, these are not them. I don't know where the tags are, guys. I made 6 tags from Tag Buffet kit. They're probably in the box of the kit, so sorry about that. Yeah, they are. I know they are because I remember seeing this little note I wrote myself. Tag Buffet on 9/4, 6 tags, and 4 cards, and they're in the kit box. Actually, here's the kit box. See, I keep track as I go, and then I put it into the spreadsheet when I'm done. So here it is, upside down, of course. All right. All right, here's the cards, upside down. The cards that I made from the Tag Buffet kit. Love that one. And the tags that I made from the kit. This is a gorgeous kit, by the way. I still have a lot left in it. This is called Tag Buffet, and there should be 6 of them, but I'm only finding 5. Here's the other one. One sec. There's the other one. So 6 tags, 4 cards. I'm going to leave them out, actually, so that I know where they are. Okay, so that's those. And then we had Tuesday Live, September 8th. I made 6 cards from Positive Thoughts and Nature's Thoughts. I love this one. Okay. And then we have these 2. This is gonna be a problem. Hang on. We're going to have to move this out of the way. I don't know where. On the floor, I guess. Temporarily. So that one, let me find where this ends. I don't know. What'd I say? 6 cards? Yeah. So, and then these were the other ones. Oops, stuck together. Those. Cute, 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 cute. So, and then, I know this takes a while and I apologize. We had 10 on the 10th, Christmas cards, and I used an old paper pumpkin kit from last year. I have 2 like that. Apparently 1 like that. And then we had the deer, 3 like that. 1 tree scene, holly, and 2 like that. So that was my 10 on a 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. 8, 9, 10. I'm going to call the nursing home this week also, because I'll be up there that way on the 19th, and I'm going to see if I can donate many of these cards that I don't need to send out to people to them when I go. Okay, so these are from Friday Live, September 11th. We used the Celebration Tidings and the Plaid Tidings to make some cards. A fall card, as well as a Halloween card, as well as a Thanksgiving card. So 4 cards, and I started another one, but I didn't finish it, so I can't count that for Halloween. I'm going to leave that out, actually, so I do finish it. So yeah, that's a very versatile set. The Celebration Tidings and the coordinating celebration dies. It's Thanksgiving. Actually, we didn't do Christmas. Well, we did do one Christmas, right? No, we did Thanksgiving, fall, or Halloween, and I guess this is Thanksgiving too, but I think it has Christmas as well. Anyway, that is those. And then we have flowers for every season, and we made 6 cards. So we have 2 of those and 2 of these and 2 of these. A little bit different, actually, 1 of each of these. On Poppy Parade. That was from, what did I say? I forget. I don't know. I think Tuesday Live is what I said, right? Anyway, yeah, those. And then we had Craft Our Stash, and I wrote I made 6 cards, but I am not sure that is this. It might be flowers for every season, but sunflowers. I don't think so. I think I'm confused. Anyway, yeah, I'm confused. So there we go. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but I have this extra one here from somewhere. So actually there's 7. I might have miscounted. And I think that was Craft Our Stash. Flowers for every season. Oops. Everything's falling. And then these are from a Friday Live. 3 cards. Again, Halloween. Thanksgiving, I guess Thanksgiving and fall. This is Plaid Tidings. They were all using the Plaid Tidings paper and different stamp sets. This is from Celebration Tidings, I believe. Yeah. Anyway, that was Friday Live. And then I forget what these are from, but I think a Tuesday Live. And we had 2 teacher cards, Hey There Pumpkin special card, and this I think was on its own. I think these were one time, and then this was a separate Sunday stamping or something where I wanted to use the background stamp and also fussy cutting for that. That was using the Country Home and Stackstone stamp sets. So yeah, really pretty. And then I also had a recent Sunday stamping. We did rosettes and made them into bag toppers. So we did one for Halloween and one for fall, Thanksgiving, whatever. So there we have those. And for the stuff at Collab, I had made these little treat boxes, and this is from the Little Treats bundle in the mini catalog right now. And then I made 10, oops, no, I'm sorry, I have another one. I made 4 of those. So I made Halloween, a birthday one, and 2 Christmas ones, if you will. Okay. So, and this one has treats in it still. So I made those, and then I made for embellishments 10 poinsettias of different things. So we have these, and that's another one like that. We had some white paper, we had some red velvet, and we had some plush white vellum. And this is another one of the very vanilla paper. This is designer paper. This is real red paper. And actually I have 3 with, so 2, 4, 6, 8, and then 3. So actually 10, 11, plus I have 2 little ones. I miscounted because I only counted 10. So anyway, yeah, have all those. Maybe they were stuck together. So those were part of the 162, items. And I'm going to actually put these back in this bag too, because I really don't know what to do with them until I send them out or something. Okay, and then also a recent video, we had these 3 cards. These were from Sunday Stamp, Tuesday Night Live. I think Tuesday Night Live, because that's where I have 3 cards. So September 28th. Those are from Comfort and Hope. This is from Comfort and Hope and Boho Indigo paper. And this one is from Flowers for Every Season. And I can't remember the stamp set. It might have been Flowers for Every Season also. And then, and I can't remember which one these are for either, but these were alive also. We did this one and this one day. These are from the Ornate Thanks. And then we had done using the Gorgeous Posies kit made as intended. I think that was a Sunday if I'm not mistaken, or it might have been a Tuesday, I don't remember. But we did all these pretty cards, and we only made 4 out of like 16 you can make from that kit. And then we did, this was a Friday live, September 25th. We made Thankful for You, sort of masculine looking cards, which I have stuck on something. Hang on. Okay. This glue from this ribbon was sticking on my card there. That one and that one. And these 2. So gorgeous, using the Gilded Autumn paper and the Autumn Goodness stamp set. And this is the Lovely Leaves stamp set. This is Autumn Goodness stamp set also. And we did a Halloween card for Great American Stash Bash on the last day of the month. That used up one of the 5x7s. And we did, these were from Stickier Side of Crafting. The girly kind of cards and a mini pocket letter. Okay, what am I at? 29. I'm gonna wrap this up here soon, everyone. And everything in here, the Halloween cards, and I think there's 4 fall cards. These were using up some of the card stash. Lots of Halloween cards. I definitely am probably going to take the majority of these up to the nursing home, see if they want to use them for, to let some of the residents use them for their folks. And then we have a couple larger ones. These were using up stickers, and they meant to be fab. All these were using up meant to be fab paper. So we had 3 other ones, and then we had these fall ones. The paper is the Mint to be Fab. These are the Dollar Tree stickers, which I finished on Stickier Side of Crafting. And these are from Stampin' Up. And the cards are from my stash trying to use up. So yes, lots of crafty goodness, or I guess to me it's goodness, but I have to do something with it, guys, because I'm overflowing in projects that need to go somewhere else to make room in my craft room. So yeah, that is what 162 projects look like this month.